This is XGO, a desktop AI quadruped robot. XGO has 12 degrees of freedom. Joints are controlled by serial buses. Feature flexible omnidirectional motion performance. 6-dimensional body posture control attained. Now, begin! XGO comes with a 9-axis IMU that adapts to ground tilting and keeps the body balanced, resists external interference, maintains the direction of motion. XGO comes with a K210 AI Edge computing chip on RISC-V architecture that realizes a variety of intelligent HCI features. Squat down. XGO can shake hands with you, track the movement of your face, and also identify different objects. When it is fed a bone, it will get excited. XGO not only can recognize human faces, what's more, remind you to put your mask on. XGO also comes with a specific app. With this app, you can control it at ease. Come on, XGO, make a stretch! What XGO can do is more than this. XGO is equipped with an open-source control interface and graphic programming feature. You can program XGO easily. This is XGO, a programmable desktop AI quadruped robot with flexible motion. You are expected to bring more possibilities to XGO.